Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 600 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1940 Mercury. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We started with a brand new block, 4-bolt main block, forged steel internals, double roller timing chain installed, roller lifter camshaft, AFR, aluminum cylinder heads. We have the rear sump Moroso oil pan, the customer's 1940 Mercury, oil stick and tube, Taylor black ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. It's real nice 427 cubic inch valve covers. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Cobra air cleaner, MSD distributor set in place, MSD coil, aluminum intake manifold, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball, automatic flex plate on there. You have the PCV ventilation line, Russell line, manifold vacuum fittings if necessary you have on there, easy hookups, electric choke wire, chrome fuel line, Russell gas line on there. You have the high flow fuel pump, gas filters installed, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. Every engine is live run at the Engine Factory and fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We'll set the ignition timing, dial in the idle mixer screws, set them perfectly. Be drop in, ready to go. With this real nice Raptor serpentine pulley kit on here, 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner. We have the Shorty water pump on here for the customer's clearance for the 1940 Mercury. Thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed, coolant bypass hose, 160 amp one-wire hookup, alternator, power steering pumps on there. It's just the way you get it, completely custom built, drop-in ready, fully tested. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.